Maybe some of you are making an assignment or paper, and in the paper you are required to enter a formula or calculation in the form of a fraction. Well, to make a fraction, maybe some of you are still confused. In this tutorial I will tell you how. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out the answer. As for how to make a line on a fraction in Microsoft Word, the method is very easy. Friends, go to the Insert menu, then Equation, usually located on the far right. Now to make a line on a fraction, friends, select Fraction on the Equation Tools menu, then a line will appear with a small box above and below it. Fill in the small box according to the previously determined number. How about it, friends, is it easy? If you follow my tutorial on this channel, you will often get this tutorial because I often share tutorials for making formulas. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.